Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Let's learn colors. Pink color, dark green color, dark blue color, grey color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, black color, red color. Let's start today's video. I draw some 2D shape. This is triangle, square, pentagon, triangle, square, pentagon. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square has 4 sides. 4 sides. One, two, three, four, 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides. Let's start coloring. Sky blue color, brown color, dark green color. Let's read it again. Triangle has 3 sides, square has 4 sides, pentagon has 5 sides. Hope you guys like my video. For more such video, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.